Hey! Stop it. That's not nice. You don't do that. You don't do that. No! That's not what Bella does. You get away from there right now. I said no. You don't do that.
You can't play with the puppies. No. No, you can't. You can't play with the puppies yet. They're too small. Why don't you come out of there, Mr. Blackjack?
Don't talk back to Dad. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. I'm not going to put up with this. You're getting too big for your britches, mister. Oh yeah, yawn it up. Come on, let's go. Come on. No, you don't have a say in the matter anymore. Come on.
Dude, we are not watching Animal Planet again tonight. I'm telling you, no Animal Planet tonight. I'm watching CNN, dude. I haven't got to watch the news all day.
Stop it. You're being bad. You can't hide. No. Oh, bad dog. No. No, you can't come in. Is that really your excuse? Huh? Huh?
My little child. No, you're not sitting on my lap. No is no. No means no. No, you're not gonna talk your way out of this. No. Said that last time.
Ziva, what did you do? No, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? No, what did you do? What's this? What's this?
I can't trust you. I can't. No, I can't trust you. I can't. I can't trust you.
What are you doing? Arguing with her? What are you saying, Stanley? You don't do it when I do it. Nothing. You do it.
Stop biting. No. No. You gonna keep biting me? Why? Tomorrow? You gonna keep biting me? Why are you biting me? Don't bite me. You stay there.
Look, hey, I don't want to play. I don't want to play. You not gonna talk? You not gonna talk? I don't want to play. No. It's too early. No. It's too early in the morning.